this is for the song. This is my planet Earth. Let's look at the rhythm patterns. Here I write in the rhythm patterns. We see that this is in triple. Triple is do-da-di. And let's first discuss what our macro beat is. We know that our macro beat is do. So how long is a do? Look over here at this measure. Do take up the whole measure here. Do, right? So our macro beat is dotted half note. And what is our micro beat? Micro beat is do, da, di. And look at this measure. Do, da, di. So micro beat, the note value is quarter note. I will write it here. Macro beat is dotted half note, and micro beat, lowercase, is quarter note. There are two ways of chanting, and some students find certain way easier. I will cover both. The first way is simply chant the micro beat when you play the song. So to chant the micro beat, you will just keep saying very steady, do da di, 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 no matter what you play. So here you see that there's a note that comes before da, so you just need to fit the note before you say da. And the same thing for here, da, it comes between these two notes, do, da, ta, di. This note actually comes on ta. So when you say do, da, di, you just imagine a ta between da and di. And that ta is where you play that. So I'm going to try to play this with one hand only. I will play the right hand, starting from measure 4. Do, da, di. Here I go. Do. Oh, piano is not turned on. Okay. Let's hope we get sound. Do, da, di. Here I go. Do, da, di. Do, da, di. Do you hear that? This C, it comes after da. Do, da, di. Do, da, di. Okay, so now I personally like to count, being able to count two different ways. So the first way we just talk about that. You simply count do, da, di as you play. So let me try to do from the beginning. Do, da, di. Here I go. Do, da, di, do, da, di, do. And it's fermata. Do, da, di, 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 do, da, di. Here, even though I have a dotted half note, I have a long note, I still count all the micro beat because the method here is counting all the micro beat. And do you see here? I have do, da, di, do, da, di, do, da, di. Okay, and that's the first way of counting. The second way of counting is chant the melodies rhythm. So the melodic rhythm here is do, da, di. Here I go. Do, ta, 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 di, ta, di, ta, 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 di, ta, do. Do, da, di, do, ta, di. Do, da, di, do, ta, di. Do, da, di, do. Do, da, di, do, ta, di. Do, da, di, do, ta, di. Do, da, ta, di, ta, do, ta, di. Do, ta, da, di, do. And there's the repeat sign, and you know the ending. Do, ta, da, ta, di, ta, do, ta, da, ta, di, ta, do. So being able to chant both ways is very important. Enjoy chanting and playing at the same time. I know this is more challenging, but this really helps the rhythmic accuracy.